Welcome to Inside Engineering. I'm your host, Senior Automation Engineer Ben Gonzalez, bringing you today a tutorial about SCADA systems and its benefits to our contemporary lifetime. Let's get started. Today we'll cover everything you need to know about SCADA, including the meaning of the acronym, how does it all works, its key components, and what benefits we are obtaining from SCADA architecture today. What is a SCADA control system? First, let's deconstruct the acronym SCADA. The acronym SCADA stands for Supervisory, Control, and Data Acquisition. SCADA is an automation architecture used to monitor and control all kinds of industrial processes, making automation possible in almost every scenario. Think of it as the brain behind many industrial operations. In manufacturing, SCADA helps by monitoring and controlling processes in real time, boosting productivity and predicting maintenance needs. In power generation, SCADA helps by making the grid more reliable, integrating renewable energy, and optimizing energy distribution. In potable water production, SCADA helps by improving efficiency, quickly detecting problems, and allowing remote control. In wastewater treatment, SCADA helps by increasing efficiency, providing real-time data, and saving energy. And SCADA has been used in so many other industries today. How does a SCADA network function? The SCADA network collects real-time data from sensors and devices in the field, such as temperature probes, encoders, photosensors, and amperage readers, among others. Some of the data will be collected through remote telemetry units that are known as RTUs. Others will be collected through programmable logic controllers, better known as PLCs. The data is then transferred to central servers. These servers are habilitated with redundancy to ensure a robust functionality. The server's real-time data is then shared to human-machine interfaces, better known as HMIs, for local area control. And finally, the real-time data is displayed in SCADA monitor clients, where operators can monitor and control the processes. With the SCADA clients and human-machine interfaces, operators can make decisions based on the data, adjust settings, and even automate responses to certain conditions in real time while production is happening. This ensures efficient and safe operations of complex industrial systems. How do we use SCADA today? SCADA is playing a crucial role in enhancing our daily operations today. SCADA is being used in many ways. SCADA systems are already revolutionizing industries by providing real-time monitoring, control, and data analysis. SCADA help optimize operations, reduce downtime, and enhance safety. From ensuring the smooth operation of power grids to managing water treatment plants, certainly SCADA is truly the backbone of automation. This has been a tutorial produced by Inside Engineering Services, Smart Engineering, Insightful Solutions.